Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. I'd like for you to hit the like button, guys. Thank you so much. And pass this on as you see fit. And make sure you tell others that you watched it on Cooking with Pouncy, okay? So tonight we're going to be doing a taco rice bowl. Something that I saw, and you'll be seeing where I saw that at somewhere in the ingredient list, guys. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll be right back with you, and we'll put this together. All right, guys, that water's just about gone. So we're going to put our cheese on there, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys, okay? And I got a kind of a good handful. Okay, I still hear some water in there, and that's drying as I'm doing the cheese here. I'm going to put lots of cheese on there. Cheese never hurt anything, right? All right, guys, this looks good. This has got about, my timer's got about another 3 minutes. You just heard it. I think it's going to be perfect. All right, I think that's all the cheese I'll put in, although I could put more if I wanted to. And I think you guys might be able to see that. Kind of what it looks like. It's looking good. It sure smells good. All right. We got another 2.5 minutes on this thing, or 3 minutes, I should say. And it's going to be done. So I'm going to leave it alone. The water's still drying out of there. And I'll be back with you in about 5 minutes, okay? That's the real time, guys. Here. I got my Doritos. I crushed them up a little bit. So what we're going to do here, for the presentation. We're going to put some Doritos down first. You guys might have seen something akin to this before. I have, but not made this one. But we're going to do that. Now we're going to put our, that looks really good, guys, and it smells good too. Can you see it? I think you can, yeah, you can see it. It got pretty dried out, the moisture dried out. It's still moist, but wow, this looks good. All right, we're going to put this on our Doritos, as I said, with nice succulent cheese. You know, I suppose, guys, you could actually put some more cheese on there if you wanted to also. I don't think we'll do that because it's piping hot. So let's just, for the heck of it, let's just put some more cheese on it. I have a little cheese bag over here, and I could stir it too, I guess, and get a little cheese mixed in there. Let's do that too. I did that too, guys. Anyway, let me do this here. Cooking with Pouncy's ad-libbing again, as usual. Let's just do that. I don't want to put it in the oven. Just want to melt some more cheese, but I think I'm going to stir the rest of the cheese in there too. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do here. That looks good. That looks good. But anyway, guys, that's the presentation. So I've got my other ingredients here. Almost like a taco, isn't it? Let's just put our other toppings, if you will, on here. And we're going to do that just so, thusly, on this one. I'm going to put some of those tomatoes. These happen to be Roma tomatoes. You can use any tomato you want to use, or none. All right, guys, I got my avocado. I'm going to put my avocado on this one here. And because I think it's going to be great, okay? Avocado on mine here. There it is, guys. There it is. There goes that presentation. It looks good. It smells really, really good as well. And it really only took, you know, maybe 20 minutes, I guess, to put this whole thing together. Guys, this looks and smells scrumptious, okay? And here's the final presentation, guys. It's what it's going to look like here just prior to being consumed. It turned out, I think, very, very well, and it tastes really good. I did taste it, and that's the final. That's the final on it as well. Okay. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. I'd like that. Pass this on as you see fit, and tell me what you think as well, guys. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.